guys, I am Franklin.
Alright, I'll leave you alone.
And we're gonna be spray painting today. So, let's first start off by messing around, you know? So, we're just gonna go through random colors, doesn't really matter. We're gonna use plus. So, tap. So right now we're just gonna spray this whole thing black, and then add some other colors for sure. So, we're gonna make a simple galaxy, you know? So we're just gonna keep spraying this until it gets black. So, okay, we got that done. So now, we're gonna grab some, put this away. We're done with this. Now we're gonna grab some yellow, orange, pink. Oh, what's up, boss? Pink, red, green, blue. These will be all the colors. All this. Right now, I live in Colorado and it's the summer, so it's hot, real hot. So, wish I had like a fan. So, next we're gonna I'll stick with that. Perfect. There we go. Now, you want to take your little thing and put it up real high, like that. Like that. We don't use too much of these colors. So,
Do you need lip head pop?
I know.
What?
But would you give me a fan? It's real hot.
You need shade, bro. Not a fan.
A shade and fan, at least.
Okay, finish your painting.
So
We'll work on that.
we need a little bit more orange. And a little bit more. There you go. Red. I'm just gonna boom. Now it's all red.
That's the most even.
So
Check it out, bro. Got you a fan.
okay. So we're just gonna add a little bit of some cherry. Put that.
More?
Higher.
What?
Higher.
I wouldn't go much higher than that.
Okay, that's good.
But it's gonna affect your knit.
There we go. Oh. And I feel like I could cook an egg out here right now. Get some green. Looks like there's already green, but because of that, because we're mixing up colors, that's what's happening. So that's working. And some large blue. So pop that off. Hold off while we're shaking. Okay, we're good. Go. Okay, that's all the colors. There's still some black, so that's gonna be perfect. Now we're gonna grab some. Oh no, some white. We're gonna add white because you're gonna figure it out in just a second. Shake, 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 shake. And go. Now, with our gloves, we'll use this paint, and then you're gonna go, oh no, you don't do that. No, you wanna do that so you can add some stars. Because what's the horrible thing about without a galaxy? Some stars. That's the worst thing. So we're just gonna keep doing this until I say yes. Yeah, that should be good. And that's how you make a galaxy. So that'll be the end of the video. So that's gonna be the end of the video. So bye.